in this lockdown period. It's been quite a revelation for all of us, I think. So we've just discovered our hidden talents. So I think all the women have discovered their cookery. So as an actor, I never tried. I just knew how to make my coffee and tea and run. So now, I've got time to just go on YouTube and try new recipes. So I've started baking for the first time. So now I have that confidence. Any birthday, I can just bake a cake. I've started sketching. I've been only doing a lot of sketches. A lot of home workout because, we are so used to going to the gym. So this was quite a thing that, we actually don't need a gym. We can do things at home and we can make our life more simpler and beautiful. The needs are very less. Actually, as humans, our needs are very less. And we've made it like, raita fela diya. So it's quite a revelation that, you can be very happy. Health is important, the first thing, and your happiness. So wherever you accept the situation and you're happy. So, you know what? It's amazing that, in this lockdown period, I did shoot a couple of things from home. So for me, work was, as it is, I'm quite I would not call it laid back, but I'm very, happy with my work, whatever I do. So I did one music video named Nari. It was for the housewives. So it was quite a nice thing which I did. It was released by Times. Then I've been shooting a lot of ad films. I've always been an ad film model. So been shooting ad films. Upcoming projects. Right now I have a web series coming, Ashram, which is on MX Player. That's going to be on air on 28th of August. And there are a few more things lined up. Now let's see, and I hope and pray that I start shooting soon for that. See, I've been a model, so I used to do a lot of ad films. My television career started long back, but I chose on and off work because I have a family. That was my priority. As an actor, to grow, television was not the medium. It was a lovely time, which I still love doing my television shows. But web series is where there's an amazing platform where, as an actor, you get to perform. You have very good work coming. The Indian audience has accepted a lot of stuff. They're open to the new concepts. So as an actor, it's an amazing platform, and I'm really looking forward to do a lot more of web series. That's where I want to. So if something nice comes up, I would take it. Or actually, nothing nice comes up and I really want to work, I'll take it. It's the thirst of working in front of the camera. So I love doing that. We have become more professional in television now. Earlier also, so I'm very glad that I got to work with my first director was Mr. Saket Chaudhary. So I did Dil Kya Chahta Hai. I started my career with that. So he knew exactly the shot breakdown and the script. Then came the normal television shows where we learned how to work like a machine. Okay, so it was quite an experience coming from the modeling background, because modeling background, when you do ad films, everything is again very scripted, very well done. And this was opposite. Television was way opposite. But now, with the time, it has changed a lot. Directors very well know their jobs, and when we come on the screen, on the set, we've got the scripts earlier. Earlier, the script used to come on the set, and the dialogue sheet would come there and then. It still does, and that's how television works. But as I say, I love it. I have no issues. Every show has a beautiful memory. I've made some amazing friends. Kasauti, we used to shoot till early mornings. That time we didn't have didn't have a rule that only 18 hours of work. We used to just work. And trust me, when you're working at 4 in the morning or 3 in the night, the energy is different. And it used to be so much fun. Though we've given out 20 hours, but still the entire set used to be so much of, it's so vibrant and everybody's having fun. And so it was really nice then. The recent I was doing a television was Mayavi Maling for Star Bharat. We shot for good 1 year plus, and I made some amazing friends. I have a memory of, going on a set which is like a palace and sitting there and, just all the actors in one van, playing damsharas and eating. And so it's quite a fun. Every show has its own memory. CID, I enjoyed working with all the men, the senior guys. There were two women, me and Jimmy Nanda. And Jimmy Nanda was the quiet one. She would keep quiet and, she would take it. And for me, it was like the foreman has a bathroom. I wanted my own bathroom, I said, no, I can't share my bathroom. This is, so as a woman, I said, no, I need it. And they gave it to me because till now, no woman woke up and, no woman, they would just keep quiet and say, you know what, it's okay. But for me, it was very important that I have my own little space. So it was amazing to work with them. My 3 years with them was really nice. Tarak Mehta, I got to do only one episode. In fact, they just got in touch with me recently or something. But it gave me a lot of exposure. Everywhere I would go, people would call me Tarak Mehta. And I'm like, I've just done one episode. But the kind of reach that show has is amazing. You know what? This pandemic has given us a fear. Definitely, there's a fear. But I did a couple of shoots, outdoor shoots, and everybody was very careful. They took extra care. They were all in that PPE uniforms, and it felt like I was on a different planet. But everybody is taking care, and yeah, there is a fear, no doubt about it. There is a fear because life is so important. And when I come back after a shoot, like this is third shoot which I've done. And when I come back, it's like I'm going in a boiling water. For 2 days, I'm just only thinking, what have I done? I hope everything is fine. Definitely a fear, but people are taking care, and the directors and the production house make sure that you're safe. So yes. Oh well, yes. TV definitely needs to change, but sadly our audience, it's like, there are creative people who want to give the best. But the audience is still not ready to accept a lot of stuff. So, and the digital medium, the audience of digital, now I think so that will be more because people have no option. There are less option because people are sitting more at home and they want to explore and watch things. So now I think so the general public brains are going to expand more and they'll be ready to accept the new concept on TV. So I'm sure the television will change now. There was a lot of regression and there are times when I couldn't relate to the dialogues when I was saying. But now I'm hoping and praying that things will change. This pandemic will definitely is bringing a lot of positive sides from everywhere, every field. See, I never approached Bollywood, so I really don't know what to say on that front. But yes, I did some cameos for some films because they were my ad film directors, So I have Nikhil Advani where he had asked me to do something long back on his film. So I don't know about television. Actually, I have not experienced, so I can't say that. I'm so sorry on that. But yeah, people do face a lot of things. But it doesn't. I'm sure it happens in every field, right? It's you need to have good set of friends and families to keep you grounded and keep your sanity here. Turning point in television, I was doing this Mr. and Mrs. Mishra for Sahara.
Okay.
So that was, I enjoyed doing that, and that was a lot. I played a cop in it. It had a lot to do as a performance also, it had a lot to do. And yeah, I enjoyed doing that. That would be my turning point, yeah. See, I was doing ad films and I got a call from Star One. The show was Dil Kya Chahta Hai. It was a comedy. So, where you must have heard Sameer Sharma, who just passed away.
Yeah.
Yeah, so sadly, we were all together. There were 4 guys and 2 girls, me and Shrinali Malhotra. We had Sameer Soni, Sameer Sharma, Vikram Acharya and Gaurav Chopra. So it was a comedy show. So I started my career with that. and first time, to get into television, that to a comedy, was difficult because I come from a background of modeling. So modeling, your body language is a little, different to a comedy. You need to be really open about everything, and just your body language to everything. So I learned a lot from the director and my co-actors, and it was very nice. Sadly, Samir is no more. I treated him like my brother, but I have the best memories of that show. Very dear to my heart. So no, I did a show, could be very dear to me again. Bombay Talking was for Z Cafe, when we had Z Cafe. Yeah, so that was the only first show. So I played Shri Devi's character in Bombay Talking. Okay. And I loved playing that. The entire thing was very, though it was not revealed as Shri Devi's character, please don't quote me on that. But it was something to play that kind of work. It was very nice. It was really nice. I enjoyed doing that show. The show was very good. I wish they make something like that in today's time.